90-year-old Margaret Keenan, well, she'll go down in history. She's become the first person in the world to receive the Pfizer vaccine against COVID-19 outside trial conditions. These pictures are coming into us live now. I beg your pardon, we're coming into us now. This was actually about 25-30 minutes ago as she took that first injection. She's at the University Hospital in Coventry, that's in the English Midlands. The British Prime Minister Boris Johnson's called this a huge step forward in the fight against COVID-19. It has led to the deaths of more than 60,000 people across the UK, and the majority of those are the elderly, which is why the priority is very much focused on those elder citizens in the United Kingdom. Our health correspondent, Catherine Burns, has the UK perspective. She is outside University Hospital in Coventry.
Receive. Receive.
Against. Against. Trial. Trial.
Injection. Injection.
Step forward. Step forward.
Fight. Fight.
Across. Across.
Majority. Majority.
Elderly. Elderly.
Priority. Priority. Correspondent. Correspondent.
Perspective. Perspective.
The government's calling it V-Day, and it is the biggest vaccine rollout in our history. So here in Coventry is one of 70 hospitals across the UK that are going to start injecting the first patients today. Now, we've ordered about 40 million doses of this. We don't have that yet, though. Right now, we're looking at about 800,000, and that's going to go up to about 4 million before Christmas. So not everyone that needs this injection is going to get it immediately. They're going to start off in the hospitals, for example, with inpatients who are already in hospital about to go home, or people who are coming in for tests. They'll also invite some care home staff in and maybe some other vulnerable over 80s. And then if there's any left over at the end of each day, they will give those to the most vulnerable frontline NHS staff, the ones who would be at the most risk of getting sick if they got this.
Roll out. Roll out.
Patient. Patient. Immediately. Immediately. Inpatient. Inpatient.
Staff. Staff. Vulnerable. Vulnerable.
Leftover. Leftover.
Frontline. Frontline.